Hey guys, it's Ben with AmeriRent Equipment. Wanted to show you a video today of how to lift the cab on this Bobcat S570. This is the 2015 model. Couldn't really find a video online of how to do this, so I wanted to show you guys how to do this today. So you just take your ratchet and come inside the cab unit here. My flashlight so you can see right there. I've already loosened the nut from the bolt, but you just remove that nut and then the gold plate, and there's one on each side of the seat, as you can see right there too. It's on each side of the seat. You remove those two nuts from the bolts, and then you can lift the cab on the unit, and I'll show you how to do that now. Alright guys, so I've removed the two nuts from the bolts on each side of the seat. Now I'm ready to lift the cab on the unit. So you just close the door, and then all you gotta do is push up, and it will lock in place. Just hold on to it, move around it. The cylinders do help on each side of this cab, and back here, it locks in place. You'll hear it click on the cylinder, which I'll show you here what that looks like. So you have that cylinder back there. You can see it's got directions on it. It locks in place. You just squeeze it to release the cab and lower the cab. That's pretty much it. So I'll show you how to lower the cab here real quick. Just set my camera. So I just hold on it, reach in from the side so you don't pinch your arm if something were to happen, if the cab were to drop. Push in that little lever on the cylinder, raise it a little bit, and then start to lower it. And that lever will unlock, and you can slowly, cylinders do help with the weight of the cab. Just lower it back on the bolts and put your nuts back on, and you should be done. So that's pretty much it. Thanks guys.